This lake is comprised of a 134-acre lake surrounded by 850 custom upper bracket home sites. Currently, we have about 800 of those homes built. Prices here range from $400,000 to over $8 million. I actually started working in the project in the late 1980s, became control of the development in 1993. One of the challenges of this and probably any lake community is the rough terrain. You have trees, you have rock, and it's virtually impossible to design any kind of a gravity drainage system for this type of project. In the original design and development, the original developers had it set up to where they were going to use the E1 system exclusively. Unfortunately, as the project progressed before I got direct involvement, the vendor had then decided they wanted to use another brand of pump as well as the E1 pump. So we wound up with a combination of equipment also maintained by the city of Parkville, who weren't really qualified to maintain the system. So this turned out to be kind of a nightmare in between the different pumps, the different equipment, the maintenance of that equipment, and the city's interaction, which became a problem. What happened then in 2007, the city had decided they no longer wanted the headaches of a grinder pump system, which was poorly maintained by the city, which is probably fairly typical. At that point, they came back to me as a developer and said, you know, would you be interested in taking over this system? At that point that I made the decision to contract with Haynes Equipment Company exclusively. At that point, because of the combination of different pumps and different vendors, we went through the total system, Haynes Equipment did, to analyze every pump, every situation, every location we had. We found that the all-terrain sewer system was extremely practical because of the rugged terrain, because of the slope, of course, around the lake. Trees and rock made this a very efficient and affordable system. Haynes Equipment Company, in conjunction with the use of the E1 pump system, we found that we were able to drastically reduce callbacks, improve customer service, and provide a really first-class product for the subdivision.